Google Search Console. Friends, if you are learning SEO or if you are already doing SEO, so to track and monitor SEO performance, Google has created an incredibly powerful and free tool called Google Search Console, which is also called or was called Google Webmaster. So friends, Google Search Console is totally free. It does not cost any money. And it is specifically created by the Google search engine to help you track various aspects of SEO, keywords, website related sites, and many other things. In this, you can thoroughly analyze and track important metrics and see your performance. So now, since you are learning and understanding SEO, in SEO, one of the key steps is we have to create a Google Search Console account. And we have to create it related to the website on which we are doing SEO. Okay guys? So here I just want to draw your attention to one thing, whether it is Google Ads, Google Search Console, GTM or anything else. So try if you are working for a specific brand like doing SEO for Marketing Fundas or running Marketing Fundas ads or something else. If all these things are connected to a single Gmail ID, then the work becomes much easier to manage. And in some places work cannot be done without it. This is the best way. So friends, here, as we've now come to the computer screen and you can see that I have typed Google Search Console into the search bar. I have opened our marketingfundas.co.in demo website in one tab, okay, which we have created just for your learning purpose. We have created a WordPress website. And along with that, we've also kept the admin panel of WP Admin WordPress open in the backend. Here I have typed Google Search Console in a new tab, and as you can see, the site is visible here, search.google.com. Basically, this product is related to search. I'll click the link and go to the site. Like I click the site, it is written here, improve your performance on Google search. So here I clicked on start now on this website. As we have come here, welcome to Google Search Console. You'll notice two important things displayed. Here comes the domain. Okay friends, now here pay attention. Everything will happen at the server level. You don't have to do anything here. I am telling you a simple method. URL prefix. Here we have to put the URL of our website. So I went here and copied my website. Okay. After copying it, we came back here and pasted it here. Understood guys? We'll click continue. What is happening now? I have clicked continue. It is now starting its further process. Now friends, you have to leave the search console. Friends, this is the website. Okay friends, here, as you can see, ownership auto verified. Okay. Why so friends? What happens many times is that when we have to create an account, what story comes there? There the story comes that, friends, we will get a verification code. Got it or not? We will go and paste that and next. Then it will verify our website that it is your website. Now, what is written here? Ownership auto verified. Verification method Google Tag Manager. Now I want to tell about Google Ads. Before that, our Google Ads course is live on our channel. You can search Marketing Fundas Google Tag Manager and you will find our video. If you have created a Google Tag Manager account using the same email ID. Why did I say? Why friends? If your Google Tag Manager, Search Console, YouTube, etc. are all created with the same email ID. So things will be easier for you. I didn't have to do it here. Okay friends, now I will click on done here to proceed. Now I clicked here done. Okay. Sorry, I accidentally clicked done. Now friends, I will put my website here. Actually guys, I had to click on go to property. So I verified it with Google Tag Manager. So here I directly clicked on the property. See here my account has been created on Google Search Console. Here you can see that my website marketingfundas.co.in is its property related to which this particular account has been created. Now there is no performance etc. coming here because right now we will do SEO of our website. Things will happen right now. We have just linked our account to the website. So now we don't need to do anything else here. Our Google Search Console account has been created. Understood? Google Tag Manager is very important. It is about this. So for that, what I'll do is I am giving the link of Google Search Console in the I button and in the description at both the places. And watch the Google Tag Manager video because it will be useful to you everywhere, whether it's Google Ads and more. So please go to the I button or description and watch the full video of Google Tag Manager so that you can easily do the integration, verification, tracking, conversion of different backhomes of Google in the future. Got it or not? Thank you friends. Now suppose if you do not have Google Tag Manager or you have not connected Google Tag Manager yet, but now guys you want to connect Google Tag Manager. So what happens when you go to the URL prefix and if you enter your URL there, then guys, it will give you the code for verification. It will give you the necessary code manually. Is it clear? So guys, you have to copy that code. What you need to do is when you go to WP admin, you need to keep in mind that you have to install the Yoast SEO plugin in your WordPress. Friends, if Yoast isn't in your plugins, then go to plugins. There is install plugin and add plugin options. Go to it and install the Yoast SEO plugin. It's considered very good for SEO for WordPress. It's a trusted plugin. Once you install this, you'll see Yoast SEO on the left hand side. And when you click on its settings, so here in the settings, you will see here guys, please pay attention. So friends, when you click on site connections, here inside you can see that, look, this is Google. It has also given us the option of Google Search Console. Okay. So the option is given here. Okay. Here guys, you will need to paste the verification code that you will receive. If you have a different search engine like Bing or any other, then you have to do it on them. So here, whatever verification code you get from Google Search Console, you will go to your website and paste it here. Understood guys? And we will update it. It's a simple process. Okay. Now, the best way is Google Tag Manager. You can do this, but auto verification is not always available in Google Tag Manager. So you can do it this way. Just copy the code that will appear in front of you. After copying it, you have to come here and paste it. Your work is done. It's so simple. Bye.